โอเคครับ Hey guys, it's me Jeffrey with Travel Bites. We do traveling and food, but today is a little bit different. When I travel, I usually find an excuse to do some running or some cycling. And if you are like me and want an epic ride here in Thailand, I have the perfect ride for you. Let's check that out. The Great Mekong Bike Ride is a 3-day stage race over 375 kilometers across 3 provinces. The first stage from Nakhon Phanom to Sakon, a 100 kilometers high-speed flat course. The second day is from Sakon to Mukdahan, a 150 kilometers rolling hills stage. And the third day is from Mukdahan back to Nakhon Phanom, a 125 kilometers ride with a mountain finish. But the thing about this bike race is it's very organized, very professional, and you don't need a license to participate. And the price is excellent because it is sponsored by the Tourist Authority of Thailand. So if you are into cycling, check that out. Alright, so we are going to take a look at the Bicycle Expo. So where are we?
I don't know.
It's Bicycle Expo. So there's an expo about bicycle today. And there's also a bicycle track that you can play with. It's actually a couple days after the Mekong bike race press release, but I think it's also related to bicycles, so I put these all together. This Bicycle Expo, it happens every year, and there's lots of deals and sales. If you looking for bicycle parts or a new bike, this is a bargain. This month we will be doing lots of traveling, so if you are not subscribed, maybe do so. We will be exploring many different food and places here in Thailand. Sail! Wow! Super sail. Let's take a look. Yeah? Wow, beautiful. Yeah. See what we got. These are like arm warmers, but in Thai it's so hot we use them to block out the sun. So that's like 50 baht for UV protection. Got these bottles like each for 250. And what else we got? Oh, look at that. Little cycling t-shirt / jerseys with this. That's so cute. For my niece and nephew, a jersey and bib. I remember this is like 900. Guys, so that was the Bicycle Expo I think it's great. I mean, it's one of the expo that I usually go every year. There's promotion with the bicycle stuff. We got some stuff. We got clothes. What else do we get, Cindy?
We got water bottles.
Water bottles, and Cindy got a bag. Is it a bike bag? No?
No, I just got a sling bag.
Ah, okay.
But
So
we also got these containers.
yeah,
We
and
got two of these ones.
there's like a pump track. That's kind of a new experience. I usually do road bike, so that's kind of fun. And as usual, guys, I'll have new content every single week. And don't
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Gotcha. Okay. See you. Bye.